For the very first time in a long time, Kaizer Chiefs could be the decider of the title race between Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates might have just lost the league. I know bafethu kumnyama ebusweni benkawu lapha eOrlando labafana kanti benzani bafuna ukuzwisa amafeni abo ngeheart attack. Tito Maswanganyi siyakhala ngebehavior yakhe lento ukuthi udelela abo coach ulwa nabo goalkeeper bakhe makuthi bayamcorrect bayamlungisa lapho uhlala lose ibhola and is very lazy uTito. Bafethu, welcome to another episode of Nkuli versus Mdu. Ngijabulile vandag ngibuyile yabona ukuthi ngiphumulile nguma spirit right ngiready ukukhuluma izinto ezimnandi.
Thank you bafethu sibonge ngokusijoina ku live nisijoine ku Facebook ku TikTok ku Omni Audio kamba lami ngiNkuleko Mdluli kodwa ningazi ngoNkuli Soccer the face of eFootball noma isoccer content yase South Africa. Kaizer Chiefs ukudecide ileague bawine 4 games in a row.
Yeah.
Namhlanje futhi if bayawina namhlanje kusho ukuthi kuzoba 5 games in a row. Think confidence high lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs. But badlala ngama moments man. Some of the players lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs banawo lama moments lawa ukuthi bakwazi abantu kuba celebrate but khona bangekho good enough lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs. But nje khona umuntu oyedwa bafuthi Lebo Hang Maboy. If khona umuntu odeserve kuba kubafana Lebo Hang Maboy. Uyi umuntu ekumele simcampaignele on the ground ngathi ANC.
Ngamshiya Peterson na mela hambe. Peterson mela hambe naye ku World Cup. But mina I don't think Kaizer Chiefs they back to winning ways. Badlala ama game easy. Wonke lama game ayifo abadlalela against ama team vela bajwayela ukwadla. Obit Magesi TS Galaxy beyibuye kuyodliwa iPirates 5-0 so obvious iconfidence yabo iphansi baluza ama player abalekile abasekho lapho sibelebele akasekho nalomfana lo oqedwe kaphesheya manje uthi Thejane. So I don't think TS Galaxy khona manje izinto zabo ziyahlangana. So Kaizer Chiefs idlale ama game obvious la bes expect khona ukuthi bawina and those games were back to back. So we can't really say ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs babuyile Kaizer Chiefs is strong because nyakumbula nanoma isizini iqala lesikhathi bawina ama game amaningi ngathi Kaizer Chiefs haven't been tested. Bahamba badlala nePirates bahola 3. Kusukela lapho kwaba lose. Bazohamba futhi manje bayadlala nePirates and this time ngenza ukuthi bahole 5. Bese after lapho kuzoba lose. They don't have the players abangabaletheli league. They don't have the players ukuthi singadependa kubo sithi mara this team is going to help decide league because umdusha balala uzoyenzani Sundowns. Umfundo Villa kazi uzoyenzani Sundowns. Umsimanga uzoyenzani Sundowns. Upuvuma uzoyenzani Sundowns because manje wonke umuntu eChiefs mela thandaza ukuthi uPeterson angalimali. Alimali uPeterson against Sundowns bangayihola ne7. Bazomenzani uLeon lapha eMovie Kaizer Chiefs. Masibheka naphambili uFlavio da Silva uzoyenzani Sundowns. Ulomfana lo wakamayo khanyisa mayo uzoyenzani Sundowns. So mina I still think Kaizer Chiefs ile team lebe yiyo last season esasele team le swag but fortunately for them they've been playing against ama team yokuthi bajwayele ukwadla and ama team angekho strong enough ukuthi bangabaphi challenge.
So for mina ngicabanga ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ibuyile bafowethu. Hayi 4 games ikunika something and ibuya ngesikhathi esi right isikhathi esi perfect.
Asqali ukubona lento le yathi season mayiqala bawinile 4 games in a row. Maqeda lapho bagcina baphelela kuphi iChiefs ijwayele ukuyenza
kahle. No lalela
ukudlala ama team lawa swap la iChiefs izowatha but they haven't been tested go wonke lama game.
Ayikho team elula by the way ku Betway Premiership. Vele khona ama team owabona ukuthi ayaxeka lapho nalapho but anzima ama game.
Imagesi inzima kuphi.
Orlando Pirates drop ama point in the against Iswelele
Iswelele has good players. Banabopule XTN. Banama player sharp lapha ya.
Striker se Orlando Pirates ku Magesi.
And by the way
ama player Orlando Pirates college.
And by the way, every team khona manje ku Betway Premiership nabadlala against Orlando Pirates benzani badlala ngokuzimisela. No against the best team in the league right now. Suka mabadlala uzimisela udlala against umuntu oshabalala.
The best team in the league ehleli number 2. The best team in the league engakwazi ukudefend. The best team in the league ehle no goalkeeper owes Usipho Chain bamcheseka i3 la game only 3 times of which 2 goals were considered. Khona ke lele linye le stream Usipho Chain bayamtesta uyaliphera back to lapha ne ground ngenhlanhla Orlando Pirates yakwazi ukuhlera la ball anama Orlando Pirates iphuwa yonke. If ucabanga ukuthi uSmith is the worst defender in the league niyamazi usiyema liphumile ibhola walibuyisa uthi idlani bafana base Richards Bay emhlathuze Orlando Pirates vele ayindaba Orlando Pirates.
Ngibaleli player li1 right now ku Kaizer Chiefs elinga compete against uLebuhile Mfokeng. Ngibaleli player li1 right now ku Kaizer Chiefs elinga compete against uLibone Siyema elinga compete against Ozuna Police elinga compete against uTsepang Muremi elinga compete against yena uSibisi as much as nithanda ukumthuka kuma social media uSibisi is better than iDefense eKaizer Chiefs yonke iphelele uSibisi akanawo ama mistake enziwa uMsimanga uSibisi akanawo ama mistake enziwa uMiguel uSibisi akanawo angeke uthola uSibisi adonsa ama player angeke uthola uSibisi ajumpela ama player la asha makarati evidence Mahupa noYanela Mbuthuma ngeke ubathole basemuva benze lezi zaka Flavio da Silva bashama flying
Orlando Pirates has the most solid defending strikers in the Betway Premiership. Ifile le team le amaqanda ababajikele sokumnyama ngempela nasemaplayeni bafowethu iyabheka le team le.
When was the last time ubone Orlando Pirates idliwa konje angibalele bala manje
when was the last time Orlando Pirates drop ama points
uhlulekile ngimbuza umbuzo olula balaleli.
When was the last time he dropped ama points?
Ngimbuza umbuzo olula balaleli ngithi Orlando Pirates igcine nini ukudliwa? It's been a very long time since Orlando Pirates yagcina ukudliwa and ngibonga amazwi wama legend azibhola ama legend
awalazi ibhola ama legend bebanga wa oppose awalazi ibhola lama legend.
But the only thing that happened against the Richards Bay engizoyivuma ulibone siyama uyaqala ukudlalela i-team enkulu kangaka uyaqala ukucompete for i-league i-experience imshayile against the Richards Bay and I'll tell you why ngisho so for the first time in a very long time ngivumelana no Junior Khanye yabona kunala
ubani uJunior Khanye
i-legend ye South African football
Okay. OCM besiba praise ayisizini yonke.
I know.
Angeke.
So into enzakele mamela man into enzakele la prime ne is it defender elifana like example ne uCupido Grant Kekana are even ngabeka nombekezeli Mbokazi kule equation icross mangena si under pressure it almost Richards Bay amatakers wabo wonke aseboxing as a defender angeke uzuhede ulibusele ngaphakathi because abantu bakho bangaluza and then striker shayinqako what you do you opt for a corner. So number one experience imshayile ne pressure ukamhelo sibelebele ujoin iOrlando Pirates ayiwinga makafika lapha yana because of the way ne pace ngakhona bayamconverter to a right back ushama foul unnecessary ushama foul clumsy iyakubonisa lento leyo some of ama mistake awenzile lapho uDino van Rooyen
so ngicela ukubuza khona into engibuza yona mntu
mayithi ngiqede some of the mistakes awenzile lapho uDino van Rooyen beka clean some of the mistakes ulibone siyama wenzile if because uSibisi nama aerial ball ayamshaya and uSibisi makushubile uyaqasha uSibisi uyathanda ukucasha and then uvele umunye and we captain if ulibone siyama played against ilokhunja lapha yana a more experienced and then a smart center back because umtshela ukuthi keeper not keepela ngaphakathi like shy corner boy because ma shy corner it's easy ukuthi sibuye si regroup first pole last pole savala like the Richards Bay azinayo height so experience mfana kwezinye izinto ebalekile kakhulu which is why we keep advocating for Grant Kekana ukuthi abe se squadini because sibheke experience yakhe and ngicela si respecteni ama legend
okay ngizobuyela kulento le Orlando Pirates mina Orlando Pirates bengifuna ukuthi compete for i-league as much as isikhathi esiningi against yona party ubasayina kanjani ama player angaka nganayo experience yokucompete because udinga 30 games la ukuthi ucompete yabo unoSiyema unemtajela unama player afana nabo Ndaba lapha nebenchini unama player afana ubani lo umsindani noma ubani umsendani yise okay yabona so mawubheka ama player amaningi unombuthuma lapha naphambili so unama players angeke akwazi ukucompete for i-league wasayinilani lama player la uDiong ugood kuma player kuma teams amancane Orlando Pirates laba DJs and uSiyama nimpraise njalo isizini yonke nasho ukuthi uSiyama manje sesikhala ngeexperience ukuthi experience ayikho kanjani yabo so mawabheka lama player lawa bekungamele bawasayine bekumele babhife up kancane ku squad sabo bathola abantu abazokwazi ukucompete serious yabo so uthatha ama players ayi15 anganayo experience ucabanga ukuthi uzolwela i-league
ngicela ukubuza other than the current players that Mamelodi Sundowns have which other team has players that know how to compete for the league other than Lababe Sundowns bekumele basayine bani Yabona iOrlando
Okay,
Pirates
yeah,
uBenson Mhlongo
ngithi
ukwakhuluma into
ngiphendule.
ebalekile
Yeah.
uthi uBenson Mhlongo there's a season la iOrlando Pirates isayina bona all the players that they signed that season ama player ukuthi bebaqeda ukwin league emateamini wabo bebakwazi ukwin league but this season bazosayina bani it's not like iOrlando Pirates izohamba ikokotele iSundowns uthi sicela nisipho uKhuliso Mudawo sicela nisipho uMukwena nisipho uGrant Kekana other than the Sundowns players in the PSL right now
yazini into ebulala iOrlando Pirates ifuna ukusayina ama local based players kuphela isikhathi esiningi mfethu iOrlando Pirates team enkulu la sikhulumi ngemagesi sikhuluma ngeOrlando Pirates ethola ama hundreds of millions from Vodacom sikhuluma ngeOrlando Pirates enama deal amakhulu Orlando Pirates nga afford ukhipa 20 million for istriker ibheka on the continent ibheka South America ibheke kuphi bangabheka ama player komagesi usayina ku Richards Bay uhamba manje usayina ku Golden Arrows usayina ama players koMaZulu usayina imquba yama team wonke lama team lawo yabo la usayina khona ufuna ukuleli league khona ama game vele khona ama league ama cup ozowathola la odlala 2 games ku final vele uzoshayisana nawo lawo yabo but league njengoba kuyi 30 games udinga nabanye abantu uthola ukuthi umuntu wakhona ubuye Asia ubuya khona iplayer ke laba khona kuMaZulu
those inexperienced players that Orlando Pirates has signed this season are giving Mamelodi Sundowns a tough time Mamelodi Sundowns Mamelodi Sundowns yaqala ukuba ne headache badlala against intwana ezincane ezingena experience le intwana lezi zaba challenger for
okay
as much as
ngicela kuyilungisa lento le ake ayikho intwana encane edlala ibhola professional akunantwana encane kudlala amadoda la 22 year old ubaba womuntu
intwana encane
ubaba womuntu intwana nani bafike
umuntu ushabalala intwana encane engazi disk futhi intwana encane engalazi ibhola umfundo vile akazi intwana encane engalazi ibhola
umuntu ushabalala ufuna imakhufu ecup ungamfaki
yabona umuntu ushabalala mfaka kule conversation
lokuthwe
nakunantwana encane league le intwana encane ezidlala league intwana encane ezidlala league umuntu ushabalala intwana encane ungangakho umuntu ushabalala 22 years intwana
intanga zakhe intanga zakhe on the continent asikhohlwe Europe sikhohlwe Asia sikhohlwe South America ne intanga zakhe zako Senegal zako Mali zako Ghana zako Nigeria ayikho intwana ena 22 esuka ku local football yase Nigeria kuthiwa intwana encane intwana zihamba zinabo ma 16 ze Denmark ze Norway intwana lezi edlala ku professional football man laba
intwana encane yase Nigeria na 21 years ebusweni ngathi na 45 uzomcompare nomuntu ushabalala labantu badla ipapa nevinegar le uzoba compare nomuntu ushabalala omuntu ushabalala badla umdoko necheese intwana abo cheese boy laba bala South Africa you can never compare physique yethu as South Africans nama Nigerians nabantu base Ghana nabantu bakuphi labantu labena kosinye isikhathi badla umhlabathi mfethu yilokho baqinile bengaka labantu laba intwana zethu of course basihlula ngephysique abasihluli ngebhola basihlula kuphela ngephysique omvuke ngibayadlula lapha
yazi ngifuna ubheke iplay elifana nobani ne akhona ama players bonisile ukuthi qina umuntu umbokazi nangu uOx Mthethwa naye is not the most talented football in terms of ball distribution ukuphasa but iba strong egroundini iba strong no ngithi iba strong egroundini no ngenze example ukuthi iba strong egroundini
akunakuthi is not the strongest akalazi inhlobo
yes akalazi but udlala inkabination
akalazi inhlobo
udlala umkabi egroundini but
uyalwa yena egroundini
is giving something
than
amanye ama play.
Mention Lamjit Alwane in the same breath noMbokazi. Never ever make that mistake. Umbokazi is good on and off the ball. Umbokazi uqinile but uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola. uOx Mthethwa uqinile but uyenzeleni nje.
Okay, so ngithi yazi why ngimention lama player aqinile. Ngoba if lama player yakwazi ucompete on the continent. Bukela ulo Umthethwa ukuthi on the continent bekabhulisha abantu bako Angola, abantu bako Congo bekangasabi ukulwa nabo. And then lama player fana noBomdusha bala. Inkinga yethu South African football isifuna ukudlala ngeilenda kuphela. Abantu abazobabhulisha
yabo yize ikhona
mele ubalance
nawe udlala ibhola self slam
khona i-team abathi the rock bafethu ngicela niyibheke niyisearcheni khona i-team idlala ngama giant idlala ama local football idlala yonke le lama 100,000 whatever badlala ngama giant akhona ama giant why ningayethani bafethu niyothola ama giant nifuna ukusana eSoweto kuphela nifuna ukusana ama player fence ngoba neskill akhona ama players wadinga yane height right akhona ama player mfethu iya Eastern Cape elo what is oboma PE bakhona abafana aba strong but thina sifuna abafana aba fence kuphela ngoba sithi bane flair but ke abasenze lutho especially kuloku mawubheka igame yama Mamelodi Sundowns i-physique ababhekana nayo lapha on the continent i-height yabasebenzela kwamanye ama play yabo yes ushaye khona ke mngana ushaye khona
Khulise Mudawo very strong
yes
Grant Kekana as much as anomzimba omncane mara strong uyakwazi ukuma Ashley Cupido strong uyakwazi ukuma Aubrey Mudiba might not be good ngemarking mara mekaliphethe kunzima ukuthi uthathe Themba Mshishizwane udlala ngeflair ufence umnandi wasethembisa unomzimba omncane but uyadlala kahle mina I think the biggest issue esinayo la eSouth Africa is that ama player wethu abatholi the right development structure because not everywhere kudlalwa ngomzimba oPK nabo Puyola bekho bakhulu emzimbeni bancane mara beba compact bebakwazi ukudlala because bathole the right development. Mina ngikhuleka ngizoba neVAR. Inkinga mfethu ukuthi la eSouth Africa asikwazi ukinvesta kahle kuma player wethu siba develop sharp because uThemba Zwane na himself makumele ukuthi ay compete at the highest level uba exposed ukuthi esana ka develop wangumjita. La eSouth Africa
no uThemba Zwane asibuye emdu. uThemba Zwane kudala bulala lo Nigeria, kudala bulala bo Algeria. uThemba Zwane kudala simbona kubafana eshawa amagoli. Abantu bangaba surprise ukuthi uThemba Zwane una over 60 goals and akusu umuntu oba advance isikhathi
over 60 goals kuphi bafana
No, ku career yakhe ngifala ku career
how many years lo muntu lo 60 goals into esicelebrate
late bloom uThemba Zwane umuntu owenza team idlale.
How many goals does Benny McCarthy have for bafana
strike
ngiyabuza ngikudlala isikhathi esingakanani
strike
bafethu South Africa ayina magoli. South Africa abanabantu abakwazi ukora amapolo. That's why naku World Cup ngishilo last ngathi sihamba siyo donate ngama point. Asikwazi ukukora, asikwazi ukutrapper, asikwazi ukuphasa, asikwazi yabona makungadlali nje abafana beSundowns
bafana izo surprise ku World Cup bafethu. So buya nama goal -7. Lapho ngineshow
kune game ezophela kwithi. All right, asingenela mfethu. iOrlando Pirates mayiqeda ukushaya iGolden Arrows 5-0. Kuyokwaba nealtercation between uSipho Chain noTito. Siyambona uTito ubheka nocoach Gaba uDobu coach angazi ucanga ukuthi kuyiTavern asethembisa nale kuyiPSL. Prior to that kune league yakhe beyitrenda, kune video yakhe beyitrenda kuma social media alwa nama player lapha ku locker room angafuna ukumamela Jose Rivero. Bafethu uTito Masawanganya kahambe kuPirates. uTito Masawanganye ayikho into yakhe nePirates.
Maybe uTito ufuna ukuhamba is not
uTito Masawanganye akana discipline, uTito Masawanganye ulazy, uTito Masawanganye akakwazi ukutrapper, akakwazi ukuphasa, akakwazi ukuspace, ayikho indaba yakhe.
Welgibela kodwa uTito
nazo thina sifuna ukuthi aphase ibhola aligitshelwa liyakhahlelwa. Yena uyaligibela instead of ukuthi alikhabe. So
namculela uTito senyamjikela manje nyamculela uTito bafethu.
Mina ngaze ngamculela mina uTito. Ngeke ngize ngilenze lelo phutha lelo. Angaze mina ngamculela. Mawukuthi abanye bamculelile mina angaze ngamculela.
Sebajikela.
Tito is not bigger than the team. Munna Pule Saleng is not bigger than the team. Even Nurilebuhile Mfukeng himself is not bigger than the team.
You immortalize Tito Masawanganye. He's big-headed. Uyalibona ikhanda lakhe manje.
Yeah, elikhulu. Yeah. Elikhulu ngalama threats lawa. If i-team iyahamba yosign ucoach. Yeah. Wena umsebenzi wakhe as a player ukumamela loyo coach umhloniphi. And if you are a professional player odlala at that level odume njengoTito mawuzodelela ucoach phambi kwabantu uzola no goalkeeper wakho phambi kwabantu and uthandwa abantwana abancane message vele bengeka mselect kwaseqaleni aka deserve but sengisho ukuthi mina message ipi oyisendela ama fan message ipi oyisendela izingane ezincane that look up to you. I mean aboTito mfethu there was a point he was like one of the faces zebafana then so delela ama coach wenza izinto ezifana nalezi uTito Masawanganye akahambe kuOrlando Pirates. Yabona Orlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs. Aliki player elizoba likhulu ukuhlula lama team lawo oyi2. Anginandaba ukuthi usuka kuphi ukuthi ubani wakuphi ukhuliso ubani. You will never be, even the Mutaungs themselves are not bigger than Kaizer Chiefs. Abokhoza themselves they're not bigger than Orlando Pirates. Lama team lawo ama team wabantu akusama team wama family. So uTito angazosiphapela angazosijwayela kabi mangabe uhlulwa ama goal uhlula izinto zakhe on the pitch akahamba ayodlala le komagesi ko Richards Bay over right lapha.
Into eshaya abantu kakhulu lama players angazi mina mentality yaselokishini bafethu kumele niyithathe nishiye elokishini. uTito ucabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates is strat and akusi strat i-team le enkulu bafethu kumele ay respect. So if bayalwa abalwele kuma backroom or balwele ema tavern bafethu bangalile ema groundini because they image not just the Orlando Pirates but the South African football. When you one of the most celebrated players in South African football mara ufuna ukushaya uppercut ne groundini ewuruwen manje. So yiyo intenzi yabona kunama tracks lapha na Orlando Pirates manje uyabona ukuthi labantu bebangeke vele bayiwini league ngoba manje kunama individual stars khona abantu abafuna ukuba oBeyonce Orlando Pirates ba celebrate kakhulu dana abanye. uSipho Chain if khona ugoalkeeper iscam eSouth African football Sipho Chain umbheke ilalela mdu ngifuna ukutshela uSipho Chain uzoconsider njalo
loyo has the most clean sheets in the league man.
West League lo siyamjudge lalela ke mdu niyamjudge uSipho Chain ngama clean sheets wakhe useless ayi16 uSipho Chain udlala ama game ayi24 for Orlando Pirates uface ama dangerous shots less than 20 i-defense Orlando Pirates yam protector lesa scam back lesi singeke siyena ku World Cup abambizanga na kubafana ngoba bayabona ukuthi indaba yakhe ayikho uSipho Chain njalo uhleza goqa izandla lapha maka concede igol umbona brush ama gloves la yi moment engikhumbulayo ama moments engwabukhumbula ngoSipho Chain lapha negroundini uzothula the only time azotrenda ufuna ukushaya uTito Maswanganye
when uyafunwa by the way siqale lapha nabantu abakubhekile mara ayikho lento lomjida lo ayikhulumayo bafethu uSipho Chain is one of the best goalkeepers in the league
unfortunately ama save
respect me enough to land Lindo
ama save ayingaki
respect me enough to land
there's ama save ay6 ka Sipho Chain
whether you will regret knowing me ne if you don't let me land if you don't let me land you will regret knowing me wena uzafuna ngizangithole mfana wakho bafethu uSipho Chain is one of the best goalkeepers in the league. Every goalkeeper you consider ama goal. And if ama defender wake ayenza ama mistake as stupid, melenzeni uSipho Chain. Instead of clearing a move as consider a corner, sifuna ukclearela la eboxini. On top of that, sime phambi kwakhe ugoalkeeper. Abanye utalent embatha that shot eshawe Richard Spade.
Akekho talented umbatha.
Wagoba wathi ibhola lamdlula uSipho Chain bekazoyenzana. Number 1 bekasithiwe uSipho Chain. Mase kathi uyaδιve la sebagoba khona. Ibhola selizakhona.
USipho
Chain is better than uRonin Williams by far. Ayikho into uRonin Williams ayenza uSipho Chain angakwazi kuyenza mara kuningi uSipho Chain akwenzayo
uRonin Williams uke wayewin league uSipho Chain uke washama saves a big uke wa nominate on the continent bake ba nominate uBallon d'Or
uSipho Chain wavimba 4 penalties against Mamelodi Sundowns. How many penalties has uRonin Williams stopped against Orlando Pirates?
Akaza wabona ama biggest players in the world uRonin Williams uhlala nawo.
How many saves has Ronin Williams made against Orlando Pirates? How many saves have Usipo Chain made against Mamelodi Sundowns? Ungazokhuluma into ongayazi. Usipo Chain has more clean sheets than Ronin Williams.
Usipo Chain ushisa nedlalo neSundowns iphela. Usipo Chain
that is an important game because he came ebalekile.
Amanye wabaleka la drop khona ama points.
uRonin Williams uhlula iPulukwane City. Uhlula iPulukwane City uRonin Williams.
Usipo Chain bamshaya goal City outside 18 area outside 18 area bamshaya kude.
uRonin Williams
usizwa nje
usizwa iVAR bebamshayile lapha against iLoquens Esperance usizwa iVAR
wrestling
bamshayile sesifuna ukuthi bamshayile because akagijimisa ibhola ugijimisa izandla zabantu into ebhekile ulanda abantu nencane udlala irugby
niyambona umdu emotional niyambona umdu emotional kanjani bafethu this is how it feels like ukufinisha 5 years in a row as number 2 yabo so
this is what it's like to fight for top 8 for the last 5 seasons as a Kaizer Chiefs fan. Yabona abantu abalula top 8 bathanda ungena indaba ezingangabafuni indaba za ku top 2 zingenapho wena ukuthi last season uqedeni
niyazi ukuthi bafethu niyazi ukuthi umuntu ofinisha no number 2 no number 14 bonke they retain their status ku Betway Premiership. So akuna award, akuna reward yokufinisha izu number 2.
The reward yokufinisha izu number 2 yohamba yodlala ama competition abalekile weCAF.
Ushawe team yase Congo ayingaholi. Ushawe team yase Congo ama part-time footballers ikuthi ba team yase Congo ama free influencers abantu abatrenda ngani abomukoko abantu abaku war useless teams abantu abaku war namhlanje lalele khona ulupoporu umukoko wakhona kunebomb yi team eshaya Orlando Pirates leyo
bafethu. Yabona ukudebate ibhola ne2K kwenzeka izinto ezikanje. Labantu laba abalazi ibhola. The league is not over. The league has not been decided yet. The only problem is that Betway Premiership one team ezimisele ucompete against the Sundowns. Orlando Pirates, every other team instead of competing against the Sundowns, they want to compete against the Pirates. Badlala serious nabadlala ne Pirates. Baya all out nabadlala ne Pirates.
They are making number 2. Wonke ama teams alweni number 2. Kaizer Chiefs izoyithatha futhi number 2.
Asikhulumi ne team esesishaya more than 2 goals this season. Abameceleni sibabeka le nabo Colenaros nabo TSG lawo mawins yiwo apha uRonin Williams neMamelodi Sundowns ama chest pains namhlanje lawo mawin yiwo ayenza iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi babe desperate like ama player weKaizer Chiefs azazenza ama player wethu umfuke ngohambe wayefaka amadrad umdusha abalala sekafaka amadrad yiwo la mawin The way is so desperate to find a Pirates.
Asingeneni kurile Mfukeni.
Pirates release team kit enobu grey. Chiefs iyafuna na say release kit enobu grey.
The only thing Orlando Pirates celebrate labo. The only thing celebrate stadium sabo. Celebrate Amstel. Ngoba badakwa njalo.
Because babona nawo laba
Chiefs
ukuthi ithinathi sigijime so sign Black Label Pirates in Amstel angesihluleke yini edakwa kakhulu Amstel ne Black Label isibotho siphuzana iAmstel or Black Label Amstel is more premium than Black Label
khohlwe ledakwa lezi asibuyele ebholeni
unambutshwala le nolrado wena le ubuzutshwala nolrado wena lesowethu ubuzutshwala nolrado lesowethu that's why ukhuluma izinto ezikanje ubuzutshwala nolrado lesowethu iKaizer Chiefs Brian ayikho into eyenzile this season
for the past 5 games Kaizer Chiefs perform better than Orlando Pirates 4 wins
Orlando Pirates scored 11 goals in 2 games how many goals has Chiefs
aphelile amagoli wabo aphelile bakore 11 goals in 2 games
and then yaphela another 2 goals
bakulwa iRichards Bay
the same Richards Bay endlile nini indlile le Richards Bay le Richards Bay le shayile
Kaizer Chiefs isifunela top 8 mina nifunile ke ngeni top
Kaizer Chiefs ifile ayina ama player ayina bo coach ayina management ayina sporting director ayina nix intesele ku Kaizer Chiefs igama that's why sithi fana neANC intesele ku ANC ama pensioners ogogo bethu mabashona labantu laba iyashabalala iANC nabashona ogogo nomkhulu iyashabalala iKaizer Chiefs ama team khona manje the reason debate yakhe support Mamelodi Sundowns so it's because the only teams that matter right now South Africa is Sundowns
they're the best team in the country ingilo nalento le abantu Orlando Pirates njalo bathi lalela iChiefs ngiunderstand I mean ukuthi ilweli top 8 iKaizer Chiefs nje nikhohle ku league nikhohle kwezinto balweli top 8 labantu abajaha ngibazobona next season but ke manje the best team in the country to Orlando Pirates but team efinisher as number 2 udodwe team bafowethu so yinto engiyilwelayo mina engiyilwisayo kakhulu i-team ekuthiwa inkulu but I win the league ifinisher as number 2 asisho ukuthi Orlando Pirates ama best number 2s in the history of South African football bona bayazama after game Richards Bay wabonile ama Orlando Pirates fans bafowethu avela collapse bonke bababizele ambulance labantu labo ngasho ukuthi ayikuphelile bafowethu isona umduyu uyifan le Orlando Pirates ama fans I believe ukuthi league isase on Orlando Pirates players bathi bona no so bona next season futhi mayiqala isizini ama fans wakhona ama legends wakhona bathi so yini Betway Premiership bafethu bayiwina le Amstel bayiwina le Soweto
bafethu inkinga
akusi MTN 8
lento ifana nomfazi ohleli nendoda engenamali ababheke indoda yase next door enakekela umfazi wakhe ahlebe ngale ndoda uhleba ngoba inhliziyo ibhlungu yababa uyayilangazelela le ndoda yase next door uyafisa ukuba ibest number 2 but unfortunately
akekho umuntu ofuna ukuba number 2
akekho umuntu ofuna ukuba number 2 been the best number 9 for the past 3 seasons the best number 9 yabona khona manje baze baqala
ubani okhumbula umuntu oluzi final
ugcineni ukubona ama supporter wePirates bathi thina siyahamba siye Mayfair Hoskodini so khankasa ukuthi ucoach akahambe it's never happened
Pirates bashayina bodwa lapha eOrlando Stadium ngoba babona baphuma badumbile abanye mawuthi uyangena lapha kuma channel balwa bodwa amafenzi eOrlando Pirates uzibuza ukuthi bafowethu ngicela le ukinvesta kwe njengomntu uyambona umuntu uinvested kanjani kuOrlando Pirates akayithathe le investment yakhe ayifake ku family yakhe izinto zakhe zizoba right hayi ukuthi ube invested kuOrlando Pirates engeke ikwenzele lutho man engeke win ne league
the best decision I've ever made in
ukufavor Orlando Pirates engayiwini league
supporter this season so basismile njengoba hlala sho umngana wami Aaron from ear to ear sibe siphethe league kanje sisho sithi bakuphi what they going to say now zikuphi izitha zethu abanye they will regret ever debating ngeOrlando Pirates because Orlando Pirates izo silence abantu inhliziyo zabantu zizoba bhlungu iOrlando Pirates izoyenza abantu basafare njengama safara
iOrlando Pirates ngeke isilence ngeke iOrlando Pirates isilence abantu bafowethu iOrlando Pirates isilencile yona nama player wabo Otito ubonile ukuthi ya collapse lento league bafethu asilwe sebathi akahambe bebampraise sebathi akahambe
mina shem ngizokutshela ivar Bram mina angaze ngampraise uTito angaze ngaliyenza lelo phutha lelo ngathi uyaligibela ngathi umnandi angaze ngaliyenza lelo phutha lelo ngakhumbula last bezama ukumcompare noJomosono bethini ngasho ngithi uhlazo nondelelo engaka ni compare one of the greatest footballers umuntu onecox
asikazi sambukela uJomosono asikazi sambukela bekwa ama highlights
mara you didn't have to watch him or know him kuzumazi
ngimazi ngokuthi une team abarelegate every season
you think 10 years from now ingane zethu zizomazi angicabanga ukuthi ingane zethu zizomazi 10 years from now Tito bayokhohlwa ngaye
bayamcelebrate
umjita inkinga emshaya kakhulu bazomcelebrate le Thembisa igcwele ngama tavern vele abantu basema tavern bahlala badidekile into umjita emshayayo discipline Brian. Even the way agibela ngakhona ibhola, it's lack of discipline. Namaphasa kawenzayo, lack of discipline. Makaluza ibhola akagijimi ukuthi asibuyeni isikhave. Yena ufuna umodel, ufuna ugoka. Relebohile Mofokeng is the better number 10 than uTito. Relebohile Mofokeng
ngifuna sikhulume ngoRelebohile
Mofokeng is the best number 10.
Sikhulume ngoRelebohile Mofokeng. uRelebohile Mofokeng une form right, yabo. Mina uyangichaza uRelebohile Mofokeng mfethu ngoba udlala kahle kakhulu, yabo. Ukunika le hope le ukuthi ngelilanga adlala ku one of the biggest leagues in the world. But uzophelela kuOrlando Pirates. uRelebohile Mofokeng iproduct le Sundowns. Orlando Pirates izomblocker for iminyaka eminingi imsign iSundowns. Uya ku Sundowns uRelebohile Mofokeng. Uyambona now. Bazomfrustrate for so many years. For many years kuOrlando Pirates ndena sign weMamelodi Sundowns.
Umuntu osonta kwaBushiri uyambona. Umuntu okasonta kwaBushiri uyambona.
Uzoya una 22 uRelebohile Mofokeng. Uya kuMamelodi Sundowns. Iproduct le Sundowns leli bafuthu. Uyalibona Thembinkosi Lodge, Saleng, Teko Modise, Chisboy Mokoena, ama product weSundowns labantu. Bayofela ku Sundowns.
uRelebohile Mofokeng has a future overseas. uRelebohile Mofokeng, the next 7 games mapakapaka. I hate to say it.
It's over
the next 7 games might be the last 7 games we see uRelebohile Mofokeng. Afake ijezi le Orlando Pirates. Lo mfana uyahamba ya overseas. This boy is complete uphelele, and the best decision Orlando Pirates made was keeping him for one more season, because in that one more season that Orlando Pirates kept him for, bamthathe bamfaka ku number 10 where he shined. Ushinile umfana, he did everything right. Ukora ma hat-trick, ukora ma brace. If he's not in the game, the least he can give you makangadlali kahle, uya creator, uya assister. uRelebohile Mofokeng right now is the best number 10 in the country. Boy, we are happy for you, we are proud of you, and we are ready for you to go overseas. Mara angesiza sikufakele pressure. When the time is right uzohamba. uNkulunkulu
sazi yona. When the time is right uzoba na 24
ungamamela abantu abasonta kaBushiri.
Uzoba na 24 udlale Orlando.
Ungamamela abantu ababuza noLerato leSoweto. Uyibona noLerato leSoweto. Angesimamela wena.
uNkothe yazi utheni uNkothe ingichazile interview kaNkothe.
Lo uyaphapha lo.
Interview kaNkothe.
Lo uyaphapha lo. Bengiyekho mfanami. Bengiyekho mfanami ngibuyile. Sibonile le video yakho ufaka iskipa seChiefs uloko wenza ama dance challenge uyajive uyaphapha udliwa ibench le eSaudi Arabia uzobhiza ugqokana nezikipa zeChiefs and iOrlando Pirates yekufakile uyaphapha.
Utshela abantu uNkothe uthe bona as ama youngsters bafuna ukuya overseas. uNkothe he was linked back to iOrlando Pirates. Abantu beOrlando Pirates bathi asomafforda uNkothe uzobuya eOrlando. Ayikho indaba kaNkothe neOrlando. Uthi bona as ama youngsters bafuna ukuya overseas and bahambe early. uRelebohile Mofokeng uela na 22 years. I-product that is why ngisho ukuthi i-product le Sundowns, because Sundowns izom-afford. Izonika Orlando Pirates 20 million. uRelebohile Mofokeng ahambe yodlala iCAF Champions League acompete. uRelebohile Mofokeng akwazi ukuwina ileague. noSaleng nangu uzoyiphakamisa ileague. But uRelebohile Mofokeng uyophakamisana. iVodacom Cup ne-MTN Cup i-starter pack lapha. iSundowns iphakamisa into eserious, uRelebohile Mofokeng uphakamisa i-starter pack. But mina ngiyakuthanda uRelebohile Mofokeng Brian. Bengifisela ukuhle kuphela but ya ku Sundowns ukuthi uzokwazi ukulwela into eserious. Mntu ngifuna simuvele kwezinye. Orlando Pirates siyazi ukuthi ngeke iwin ileague. Sesingamuvela kwezinye.
Orlando Pirates izoyiwin ileague. This has happened before. We've been in this position before, and last time we were position le sayithatha league. Okusalayo we were fighting against the team on top of the league. Sizoyithatha le league le. And I understand why ama supporter we Chiefs bana ba desperate ukuthi Orlando Pirates ingawini league. For mina ukulima lo.
Esikhathele ilabantu ukukhuluma. Labantu abakhuluma bawina igame eyi-1. Labantu ba celebrate everything.
Ni complain about Orlando Pirates winning the league as if nina nizokeni win in the next 10 years. Ni complain about Orlando Pirates champions. Ni complain about Orlando Pirates winning
Nedbank Cup, the reigning defending champions.
Yeah,
awakabi khona ama champions.
Nimvula esidingayo. Lemvula engeke izinethe. Namanje reigning champions ekumele zize. Anikho nina ku Nedbank. Nayi khona manje TS Galaxy. Nidle thunile yazi TS Galaxy nibheke yathi. Lalela TS Galaxy nibheke ithi zothatha le cup nifuneke ukuthi
angiyazi Galaxy.
Eyoyithatha TS.
Asikhulume ngama team esiwaziyo. Asimove mntu before siyivala. Ngiyabona ukuthi abantu baya engage online bafethu. Siyabonga usijoina. This is the Omni Audio noNkuliso bafethu, the face of South African football online. Ngaphandle kwami lento le ayikho. Nabanye baba against mina ngoba bafuna ukuba relevant.
Khona into bothi ufuna ukuyisho namhlanje ubothi uzobheka iCamera. Khona into bofuna ukuyisho kune statement bofuna ukusiyenza namhlanje. Sicela usenzele leso statement.
Mina bafethu into engifuna ukunitshela yona nonke ukuthi I care about what you have to say because you bring the numbers. Without you ayikho awekho lama shows. So I care about you ama viewers bafethu. Ngaphandle kweni asina ma shows, asina nix. Whether niyasithuka, whether nenzani, but I care about you guys. Without you, iOmni ayikho. Without you, ngaba sikho la online. Ngaba si-engage nan online. So, I care about the viewers.
Nazwela muthi emuhle. Masiqhubekela phambili. uHugo Bruce uzoba nenkinga ye-selection because masibheka le game le eMamelodi Sundowns eqeda ukudlala recently namhlanje sihlekile le game iMamelodi Sundowns eqeda ukudlala recently ngiyathemba baleleli manje sibona sihleka kanje ukuthi asilwi nomuntu san entertainer silethela icontent emnandi that's entertaining asizi thina lana nama narrative asizi thina lana ne tactical variation tactical ability asikhulumi zonke lezo zinto lezo respect me to land cha we are just bringing pure entertainment. Utito mangihlangana na estradini nyomuphi hug. Ngithi mfanami, you decided to be a soccer player. You are an entertainer. Ma entertainer, there's love, there's hate. Kukuwe ukuthi wena decide and but melo hambe ku Pirates. Hugo Bruce. After le game Mamelodi Sundowns eqeda ukudlala neEsperance. La combination engakekana no Cupido as much as ukekana thole red card but beba solid laba bantu laba. uDivine Lunga he's not South African angesikhulumeni ngaye that's why beka clumsy it shows good bekumele kudlala uPrimutiba lapha ya. uKhuriso Mudau udlale kahle. Or Pasadena. Ukuriso Mudau udlale kahle showed leadership atshela no coach ukuthi coach sekushubile manje asenze kanje na kanje Thapelo Morena ever so great Teboho Mokoena Jaden Adams mfana ingizwe ubhlungu lento engizoyisho iyababa as a Pirates fan bonke lama plane qedwe kwabalo eMamelodi Sundowns mela ku World Cup they need to start the only player maybe bangambeke benchini uCupido ukuthi ukekana adlale noMbokazi but everyone else mele add a just number on top of the squad list enqedwe kusibala
so ama players Sundowns to be honest bafithalela the biggest cup competition on the continent so international experience banayo labantu laba yibo abantu kumele sichoose wonke ama players Sundowns aye ku World Cup lawa adlala ya contributor ama players Sundowns mele abe around 13 even nalaba ama bench womazi ku Sundowns but bayawathola lawo ma minutes lawo cause lo mquba weOrlando Pirates ama league pretenders ama players ona a great mewadla nalama teams lawa amancane khona yabona koOrlando Pirates oswena police relay Mfukeng 100% bakubafana bafana but ke khona abanye baba selector uyabona na ukuthi abekho ready ukudlala ku international stage yabo they are great local whereas abe Sundowns ngibona umdlalo ofana no Adams mfethu bekalela uAdams otito kumele bafunde kuAdams ukuthi uyakwazi ukushintsha iperformance yakho be inspired ukwazi ukumisela na ukuthi sokuhlonipha nathi masibukela ibhola yabo so Mr. Adams I mean if khona umuntu even empilweni nje in general mele sifunde kuAdams ukuthi abantu bak-writer off but ayisekho indaba yakho but wena ukwazi ukugunda ngicabanga ukuthi inwele bafethu lezi bezimsindo ugunde and then uqale phansi
uTito na against Chiscope
Travis Scott ucabanga irap music
but masikhuluma ngoJaden Adams ne into ebalekile lo mjida lo underrated lo mjida lo yanyatsiwa sibheka laba bePirates nalaba bakora amagula amaningi as play of the season lo mfana lokho le season yaqala beka consistent from the first game of the season because la beka off corner kula season it's so unfortunate ukuthi Hugo Bruce akazange amnaka kahle ambheka lo mfana lo but Jaden Adams right now yena noTebogo Mokoena le combo yabo ye midfield it's the best if it's not broken don't fix it Hugo Bruce thatha labantu laba boyi2 awushiya uyaya le Portugal adla ama prawns or inanani udlale laba bafana laba boyi2 uyaya uzoza la studio azoyenza nathi watch along siyamema he's more than welcome but akangayi ku World Cup substitute mele kube uTalent Mbatha uTalent Mbatha has been solid for Orlando Pirates uTalent Mbatha mfana improve so much that second Ntsembu nange long pass bekangasa umuntu bengimbona shama long pass and against Richards Bay personally uye bekadlala I1 Mfukeng bekangekho kule game leya and it's important as especially coach Orlando Pirates because the way yena adlalisa ama player will determine whether Hugo Bruce albizo or akalbizi lelo player lelo ukubencha kwakhe usipombule yikho futhi kubuye ku affect ama chance wakhe ukuthi abe se squadini if urile buhile Mfukeng is not having a good game msave mkhiphe mawumkhipha uyamsave ukuthi nakusasa Hugo Bruce akwazi ukumonita mfana zwakala because I know ukuthi when you having a good game udlala kahle if Ozuna Police udlala kahle mtetela adlale that's the best player in the country right now lo mchita is doing everything right for Pirates is doing everything right for bafana uyakho Ozuna Police uyakora uyacreate wenza yonke into makushubile lapha kwa-attack Orlando Pirates uyasuka ku-wing adriftela abe double number 10 noMfukeng then yena he makes it easy for Mfukeng ukuthi adlale beka ama 1-2 Ozuna Police noMfukeng abawenzayo so if futhi singena ku conversation ye play of the season you can't put Mfukeng in that chat okwamanje isizini mayiqala Mfukeng beka off there was a time la sonke bese size si worried ukuthi maybe ukhamba kwakaNkotha noMbokazi kumshayile psychologically abanye baze bathi uzoya ku AFCON waba ne injury only after he came back from injury waqala ngathi uyaphakamisa but Ozuna Police from his first game Orlando Pirates ku MTN 8
Against the Polokwane City.
Waze waba man of the match. Edlala all those games. Lesikhathi Pirates izodraw 3-3 no Lupopo la eOrlando Stadium. Ozuna Police scored the important goal. Ekuyithathi Orlando Pirates ayisa extra time. And every other game beka creator uyakora where the coach uyamqala umfake as a substitute wenzani Ozuna Police has been consistent. Uye no Tebogo Mokoena.
Yabona mawubheka indaba ye play of the season or nama player kumele abe kubafana bafana. Abantu bafuna ukujudge based on ama goal ama assist but ababheki contribution yonke at large. Ilento lo judge ngayo Sipho Chain uthi kumele abe unama clean sheets inini but I contribution yakhe ukusave I team noma kunzima yabo. Khona la izu goalkeeper kumele urescue khona I team thola ukuthi I team kumnyama that day but goalkeeper kumele abe I superstar akwazi ukuyimela I team. But Yawuzwena Police for me bafethu is one of the biggest stars vele. In fact
It's the biggest
star, yeah. Kuphethe Premiership as a South African because khona namanye ama player esiwabona ayafikayo ayadlala kahle kakhulu but yena Orlando Pirates this season bafethu ipushile ama passes wakhe yazi sometimes Orlando Pirates inokugeja ama opportunities amaningi but also na police uyazama ama cross ukuswitch ama ball ama through pass everything lo muntu lo uyazama ngempela ukupusha for I team but
ne discipline mele umncomo
yeah
uyakumbona alwa no risk
akalwi imali uyalena so I player for me if khona abantu engibasile kuthiwa njoba ngisho even naku Hugo Bros kubafana you ama player yili player leli elenza iplan even nakubafana so iplayer important angazi noma ufuna ukungena kubantu sibazi ukuthi bathini online
bayasithuka obvious but before ngikhuluma inhlamba zabo I just want to talk about one player that we hardly shine a spotlight on Sihlezi simxeka nanani ulibone Siyema if Hugo Bruce yakwazi ukuthatha abafana abancane abayise kuma AFCON abese kubuka World Cup just for experience libone Siyema as the future of South African football I believe mele bamfake esquadini sebafana uyaphasa umfana when it matters most uyakora look at the goal he scored against Richards Bay akusi long range oqala kayikoriwe clearly udlalile noMbokazi and clearly uMbokazi khona lento akamfake yona because of the way afights
wakhe as a defender khohla ukora phela khohla ukuthi uyaphasa unama mistake amaningi uSiyema
akanama mistake amaningi
noma kumele amaka akakwazi ukumaka
uyamaka uSiyema kwazi ukumaka space uyakwazi ukushaya ukumaka space uma kana management umuntu mfethu omkhawathayo omkhostayo umuntu bekumele ukuthi uyamhola uNkosinathi Sibisi unfortunately uNkosinathi Sibisi wenza lo mfana yenze double the job
you
understand that's why awupholile nje igame mfethu uyomela adlale lapha khona manje sekabuyile uSesani libone Siyema Sesani
yemele Orlando Pirates ngathi unama player wakhe so and akafuni ukuletha amanye ama players uzokudlalisela ama player kuma Rumo Galant wonke
amaranga yabona
khona angabazami
nokubazama maranga azadlalisa umsendami angazadlalisa umsendami akamlona mbusele la amthathe khona futhi I think mfethu the one player that Orlando Pirates coach has been unfair on kakhulu uTkabelo Dlamini Ilona player lelo coach Abdeslam Awad has been very unfair ku Kabelo Dlamini. Kabelo Dlamini is one of the best number 10s in the country. But the reason sesiyamkhohlwa asakhulumi ngayo it's because he's not getting enough game time. Talk about ama set piece amaningi uHotho akawamisile with all due respect angidelela uHotho. Kabelo Dlamini bekawasha phakathi. Amanye ama chance eswaluzile uKabelo Dlamini bekawasha phakathi lamjita mfethu uyaphasa lamjita mfethu uyashoot lamjita ushama set piece he might not offer you a lot ukubuyele emuva but not every player mele benze ngokumaka so uKabelo Dlamini coach Awad has been very unfair kuye akamdlalisanga at all this season if umdlalisile umdlaliseka yi1
Awad ufuna ama player ane speed ama workaholic abantu abagijima 190 minutes or 200 minutes liyakambokazi yabo ufuna lawo ma player lawo coach Awad so if awunayo low work rate leyo and the worst thing ike akakwazi ukumanage ama game Awad so iOrlando Pirates shaya 3 goals usafuna abashaya 7 goals kube basave le energy yabo kulama matches lawazayo but ufuna kushawa ama goal amaningi ama goal ayi6 khona abantu bebangangena uKabelo Dlamini even noSipho Mbuli ukuthi okay manje so uyithunile in but ke manage igame kahle akakwazi lo coach lo coach ufuna ukubreak irecord lama goal and akusiya ama goal akuneli league so ngicabanga ukuthi unama mistake wakhe yena as ucoach manje sekakhala ngokuthi ama player akhathazwa ubani ama player ngoba intensity of igame yakhe
I think mina into engikhalisa kakhulu ngocoach Abdeslam Awad he doesn't really believe in left-footed players akabelieve kuma player are left-footed because if we are back team yakhe Orlando Pirates is right-footed players abadominate all the time uHotho noMuremi phela abadlala ngo left akabadlalisayo because akadlalisa uTito akadlalisa uDlamini but there are certain situations as mfana if uyalazi ibhola you'll understand the importance yokudlalisa umuntu odlala ngo left sometimes as a number 10 it's difficult to predict movement yomuntu odlala ngo left that's why uMessi akwazi ukuqeda ama players so kunzima ukumpregniship penalty lo muntu okhaba ngo left kunzima ukulivimba so when i-team yakho ileka i-creativity and uyabona ukuthi i-Richards Bay ikustadishile bathi laba sivala apolice sivala umfuking ngebadlali. What you had to do is take out Mfukeng ufaka uDlamini, slows down the pace of the game, faka uMbule uthi uMbule wena ngikufunela just ukuthi sidominate lapha emidleleni siqala ukudlala because uMasindi noMbatha baya complementana baya makelana badlalana kahle but now they becoming poor on the ball because labantu abayithiwa bathanda ukuba pick up abavaliwe. Ngiyakutshela uDlamini bekazokwazi ukupick up uMurimi. uDlamini bekazoforce apolice ukuthi abuyele lapha ku right akwazi ukumpick up bekazowashaya ama diagonal pass kuMbuthuma noma bekazomisa. uMbuthuma ngicela bafethu makunomprofeti enimaziyo, umthandazeli enimaziyo noma umuntu ongamhlabela inkomo ehlanyayo uMbuthuma bamhlabele bafethu azokwazi ukuthi akore goal wenza yonke into right. The only issue yakaMbuthuma is finishing and angifuna ukuba hard kuMbuthuma first season yakhe koLorlando Pirates. We've been very patient, no evidence Mahub noma Mesa mara samvotela noma ngena sahlanya senza enini. So if siba fair Aspeni Mbuthuma chance is definitely better than Flavio da Silva no Khanyisa Mayo. So Mbuthuma is definitely better than Lyle Foster futhi. Is better than Lyle Foster uyanela Mbuthuma angeke umbone alwa nama linesmen makushubile yabona. And Mbuthuma the only issue yakhe kuphela akakwazi ukuheada kahle akakwazi ukukhaba or maybe ufaka ama cocks amakhulu.
Ngiyavuma yabo for the first time bafethu ngiyavumelana noMdu ukuthi uMbuthuma better than ezinye istriker but ngokushaya itag ini kuphela yena unama clean sheets ukuthi akakwazi ukwasha ama goal phela lo muntu lo yashaya itag ini and umake sure ukuthi ayiphumi ijezi igame yonke and uyagijima uyalo nabantu but uyashaya itag ini like clean yakhe mbona iplayer leli elihlonipha egroundini so uhlonipha kakhulu egroundini uyambona now akekho uaggressive but that aggression yokuthi angabi nendaba man nekeep ukuthi kuphi ijezi lento at the end of the day uthi ulifaka ngapho ulifaka kanjani kufuneka ama goal iMbuthuma uthi presence yakho ngiyayibona you're fighting for ama balls but kumele uadjust vele ukuthi udlale koLorlando Pirates but awusi caliber of Orlando.
Excuse the pun.
Yeah, you're fighting for my balls. Oh. He's fighting for my balls. That's how I try to tag in. We are balance.
We are protect. Makshubile.
I see my comment around before saying.
All right. Bafethu go wonke ama legend abheka lezi zinto lezi asinithuki asinzondi siyanthanda siyanhlonipha kakhulu but nonkenani niyazi mangabe ukhuluma ukuyale sizokuthi so bheka indlela okhuluma ngayo because ilaba bafana laba ba rebellious but silungiseni ngendlela right akunamuntu okumela sisole ukuthi wazomunye. We have a comment coming lana from Uleni Suping at it's clear Sipho isn't the best goalkeeper. Maybe he should return to Celtics and Tito's strategies are laughable. No wonder why they are the best number 2 as Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, namuSipho yazi inkinga yeOrlando Pirates mina engiyibonayo iPirates uSipho na kana competition ngicabanga ukuthi into emenza vele naye yabo abe relax akana nix kunobani lapha ebenchini ubuthelezi because makuvimba ubuthelezi wonke umuntu uyaqhaqhazela ngoba bayazi ukuthi ubuthelezi guaranteed for sure uzoconcede manje akuna competition strong enough for yena lapha uSipho naye uzirelaxele. That is why I feel ngathi kumela shama yama player but is not equality Orlando Pirates ama clean sheets angaba nawo but i-defense Orlando Pirates as i-team yonke bayakwazi ukuprotect iball but dominate bakushayela bomba 70
ba protector noSibisi.
Yeah. That is yabona Orlando Pirates nomuye inkomo ngeke ubonakale because basebenza as i-team as i-unit.
So uzamothi Sibisi inkomo
uyalazi uSibisi
asiqhubeke. Maxwell D Atimdu, that guy has no football brains but political mindset, so it's pointless to argue with such people. They just talk for the sake of talking, no point whatsoever. Bathi mfana kithi unomcabango wabo Julius Malema.
Ubani lawyer ngimbiza
Maxwell D.
I'm getting paid ukwenza lento le wena uhleli lapho ubukele asingene kwenye comment.
Siyaxolisa Maxwell, mina ngeke ngisho lento leyo. Siyayibonga i-comment yakho and i-comment yakho ivalid. Akana metric lo muntu ungayeki ukumhlasela. And then singene ku Thokozani Shabalala athi injalo next season cha mfethu ngathi iChiefs kusamele isebenze kushuku finish. Angiyazi ukuthi kushuku finish. Thokozani lento zami ukuyisho siyabonga i-comment yakho bafoza ngicela uzame ucomment futhi because angi understand lento eshoyo. Likau Deposh alibuleli silo lironxa mayo wafixa lisizulu sesasalena asikhulumeni singathukani bafethu Yabona mase sithuka sathukana manje ixirha yini lento le asikhuluma in English once.
Okay, Brayaka re khopela tshwarela. Akere wena u invested go di teaming haholo. So ke problem ya hao. If you are so invested go di teaming tsa hao ba o patela na ba o fang. So ska ba to invested go teaming. This is just content. If I understand tsama o sheba mang manenze go SuperSport. Awungene kwenye comment.
Lisiba RSA ati no football knowledge from you, my brother. Angazi usho bani siyabonga comment yakho. And then Mushe Theo Pirates followers, let's unfollow this page. Bengazi ukuthi i spokesperson se Pirates phela lesi.
Manje sekawutshela abantu ukuthi ba unfollow. Inhliziyo yakho okay, inhliziyo yakho ikuphi mfethu ufuna ukurecruit abantu njenge political party. If uyaphuma epage phuma u-1 sinandaba nawe. Awuqhubeke lapho.
Because abanye abayi 100 futhi wena mawuqeda.
150,000 followers sinendaba nomuntu oyi1.
Maganomia Sky. I'm a Chiefs fan, but dare not call other teams useless. Lupopo qualified and deserved to play in the CAF Champions League, which our useful team failed to play.
It was Pirates.
I summarize you, just don't know what the useless word means. Hence, you boldly spew it out without even thinking twice. Learn not to resort to words or statements that are better just because you don't have something with weight to say. It is very stupid of you to call other teams useless, as if Chiefs has been useful the past years.
Asine sama feelings la mfowethu. If wena ucabanga ukuthi useless akusigama le right, ngicela uhamba kulabantu laba mana bathona izinto down, aba PR friendly, ikhona SuperSport.
Abazokutshela into ofuna ukuyizwa. Moshe Tiye futhi wangena. We are going to unfollow this useless madheads that doesn't speak any sense.
Bukelani labantu laba bafethu abazibiza ngamagama wabanye abantu bakhona abantu aba inspired abanye abantu abaqala icontent ngamagama wabanye abantu Olindo Pep. So hambani ubukelani bona bafethu ama scam bags. So awubuka comment lapha.
And then Lucky Lamola ati, you can't say that about Divine. If he is the foreigner, then you're not supposed to talk about him. Stop being judgmental. Benkuluma ngebafana mfowethu. That's why ngithe akabalulekanga. For ibafana akabalulekanga. So ala South Africa. Abona if besikhuluma about African football then besombala mara bengikhuluma ngebafana ngithi. That's why ngithi akabalulekanga. Umuntu ubalekile ukhlula uDivine Lunga because I'm South African, proudly South African, and I represent South Africa Zimbabwe nabantu bayo. And then Collins Sichaba Mukwena ati Mr. Oros Mr. Oros, he's always talking about Pirates ayisuka. The English yakhe broken lapha umngene mfowethu.
Why ubhala ngeEnglish mfethu? Ubhala ngelanguage yakho.
umkhulu Bejili dude wanibani yena lo athunxilile wena kwedini andazi ba uthetha ngabani bawo. And then we have another comment from Usfiso Eric Ndwandwe. Oh, UCB Tuja. How many goals does Mbutuma have this season? Think before you talk, boy.
Mbutuma ngagcina kuthuna 7 goals azanga ko after lapho. So umuntu onama clean sheets manje ukhompyutha noSipho Chain kulama game abuye esibuya kuwo. Bafethu. So asimove lapho.
And then Usfiso Eric Ndwandwe ati fighting for ama balls. I like that one.
Ngono ngoba sikhuluma ngento sonke esinayo ama balls.
Besides abanye abantu abaye understand. Hayi abantu abathatha bakethe ama feelings nani mfethu hayi. Lapho umuntu akhona nabantwana abayi5 hayi. Sipho Spola ati Sipho is not being bekafuna uthi tested askisi mntana sekhaya but tasted it happens. Sipho is not being tested for so long, but when they play against teams that test him we see meaningless goals. Loamjida is weak. Akekho weak uSipho Chain. Yazi bafethu into ninga understand i1. IOrlando Pirates mayiba tested basuka ba testa kakhulu nkosinathi sibisi. So abo Sipho Chain makumele ba clean up imess suka sekushubile. I don't always blame goalkeeper mina for my mistake on my defend. So yeah, we are consider just like any other goalkeeper. Cassius beka consider mas. Nalo uyubani mina ngibazi laba bawina ama goalkeeper ama Galondo ama lokhunje. Buffon no Manuel no Oliver Kahn madoda the late bayazithola lezi zinto lezi. And then okugcina uBita Nol as Chiefs is useless.
Hey, Kaizer Chiefs bafethi on and off, to be honest, yabo. To be fair, Kaizer Chiefs on and off. But ke coach naba seba win 4 games in a row. Back to a conversation yokuthi bangabuyela ku Continental Showpiece. But sobona ukuthi amakhosi for life. Yeah. I want to tell you something, my boy.
Amakhosi for life.
But asivale mntu noma khona but siyabonga bafethu ukubukela ukuba khona siyabonga ukusithuka yabo ngaphandle kwenu awekho lama shows lawo